can you please share with us like what effortless beauty mean to you?
Effortless beauty. I think it means feeling comfortable in your skin. I think beauty is all about your soul.
We're always in rush, so anything that takes just 5 minutes.
Hello Mumbai. We are in the heart of this vibrant city today, surrounded by its unique energy and style. We all know Mumbai never stops. Neither does our quest for effortless beauty. What does effortless beauty mean to you? How do you make it a part of your everyday life? And most importantly, how does it make you feel like your true confident self? Let's dive in and listen what the fabulous women of Mumbai have to share. So, could you please tell us one beauty regime you never skip, no matter how busy your day is?
I do eye facial every day. I think it's face wash.
Usually use some moisturizer.
Sunscreen is really important.
I use kajal every day.
Also, we all know living in Mumbai can be quite challenging. Like whether it's dry monsoons or dry winters. So, how do you keep your skin hydrated and nourished?
Drink a lot of water. Everybody says that, but it's so true. You can feel the difference. If you're hydrated, you can actually feel the difference in your skin.
I drink water a lot.
Even water is the key and good skincare is the key to beautiful skin. So this is a fabulous range from Grayon Beauty, like from nourishing lip balms to hydrating radiant oils to moisturizing lips. So I would like you to try this. So can you please try mascara and strike few poses? Looking nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Like how
Very
it's
light.
feeling? It's light, no? Yeah, it's light. So this is a lip balm which is super hydrating from Grayon Cosmetics.
Oh.
So would you like to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So like, are you liking the?
Definitely, I like this.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear this. So would you like to try this eyeliner? Like it's super pigmented. It will give you very defining eyeliner. So do you like to try?
Yeah, definitely for sure.
That's smooth. Guys, it's smooth. So do you like the eyeliner?
Yeah.
So how much would you rate this eyeliner?
I'll rate it 9.
I
9.
like the texture and all.
Yeah, like it's very pigmented, smooth. It like glides very easily on your eyes. So yeah. This is Grayon's mascara. It's super pigmented. So would you like to try this?
Gosh.
Hannah?
Oh God, I can see the difference.
Ah, yeah, it's actually very nice. So how much would you rate this product out of 10?
My God, it's looking so good. I would rate it 10 out of 10. Bhai,
Oh my God, we got a 10 out of 10. It's amazing, guys. So what's your go-to product for night out?
Dramatic mascara
Okay.
or like a dramatic liner. Ready
You
for
do
night
have a beautiful eye.
So do you. Thank you. I love your eyeliner. That
Thank you so much. So I have got little something for you. So these are lip shades from Grayon Beauty. So I would like you to try this and let me know like your thoughts.
Yeah, I'm not a lipstick person, but I am a blush person, as you can see, so I can try it for you.
Yeah. Oh my God, but it's looking beautiful. Yeah, it's looking very subtle and nice. And
I've never used orange, but you tell me.
No,
I think
no.
it looks okay.
to be honest, it's looking beautiful.
Okay, wait.
I have this very nourishing lip balm and I want you to try this. Could you please give it a try?
Tastes good.
It's good. Like, are your lips feeling nourished, hydrated or something like that?
Yeah, it's hydrated.
Nice. Something that makes you feel effortlessly stunning in no time.
I think mascara and blush. That really brings out my natural features. So I think
Again,
that-
a high five. I am a big blush fan. Lipstick, so I would like you to try this and let me know your thoughts. It's shimmery.
It's very moisturizing as well. It's very moisturizing and the color is very natural. It suits my skin tone.
Yeah, but it's actually looking very nice and subtle, but still very nice. Yeah. I hope you like that product.
I really like it. I really
So
like it.
how much would you rate this product out of 10?
Out of 10, a 9. A solid 9.
Oh my God, we got a 9 out of 10. That's amazing, guys. So whether you are heading out for a busy day or a glamorous night, remember that beauty is not about perfection. It's about being you. And here is something little for you to make your day even better. Shop using code GRAYON50 to get 50% off on all our products with free shipping. Don't miss out, grab your favorites and let Grayon makes you feel like confident, radiant and effortlessly beautiful. Until next time Mumbai, stay fabulous.
It's time to change your brand. Grayon Beauty, Cosmetic, Personal Care Products.